students continue to face the wrath of the unjust system. Black child condemned to suffering. Each year, a new struggle rises. No to discontinuation of provisional registration.
Nah, you know what it is, man. You know what it is, man. Welcome to the Safe Room Pod, yo, man. You know what it is, man. It's another episode, another banger episode. You smell me? Just make sure you stay tuned up until the end of the video or the episode. You smell me? And don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, yo, welcome to Chilling with your boy, Sizzla Eka, the Sizzla Ka, aka Fox the Music Night, man. You know what it is, man. Today I'm with none other by, it's one of my homies, you smell me, Austin. How you doing, bro?
Siyavuka mkhulu, siyavuka, singezwa kuwena ukuthi kuhamba kanjani.
Sihamba kahle mfowami, you know what it is, man. Welcome to the Safe Room Pod, man. Grand buff, grand dude.
Ngimnandi.
Uncle Mrs. Zulu, I'm not too good when it comes to Zulu, bro.
Awungiqodele. Kodwa siyabonga ukusamukela ku Safe Room Podcast, where your opinions and thoughts are safe with us.
Your thoughts are safe. This is a Safe Room Pod. You smell me? Everything that you say here, it's safe. Your thoughts are safe. So feel free. You smell me?
Kunjalo mkhulu.
You know what it is, man. So, bros, you know, like on this past week, it's been a crazy week. You smell me? Like I've been like sitting upon myself and been thinking for and like Bafil tomorrow, like I think women will be the end of us. Women are going to be the end of us. You understand? You smell me? Because of there I was thinking, my friend. So I don't know. You tell me your thoughts. You understand? So you tell me, bruv. For a dog, what do you think about like what's the definition of a real woman? I wanna start there before I go anyway. You smell me? Like what's the definition of a real woman for you? Like, can you please like highlight it like a bit for us?
Ndoda umuntu wesimame oqotho umuntu wesimame ongafuni into eziningi yabo. Umuntu wesimame othi nimethana halfway yabo. Hayi ukuthi lento yokuthi indoda must. It's not always that indoda must do everything.
You smell.
But hayi umuntu wesimame alright, umuntu wesimame oqotho yilo ukuthi yonke into siyenza sobabili, uyangithola mos.
Sure, yeah.
That's my definition of a real woman.
Ukuthi umuntu wesimame oqotho wazi indaba yakho, umuntu wazi into oyifunayo. Right?
Umuntu ozazi ukuthi ufunani mfethu.
Danko.
Sure.
So that's where like all of this question comes from. For our fields, me, like it's actually like my perception, you understand? But from my perception, I really do think for it, like yabona ugelo ufuna ukuncengwa dog, like nah, actually to be quite precise. You understand? You understand? Like there's no other like word. What was I supposed to say? Like a subordinate is still a veiled word. You understand?
Yeah.
But then that's where I come from, because of like dog. I feel like a real woman is a woman who actually know what they want. Like if you go to a real woman and you start like let's say for an example they're just gonna be like straight with you, go okay, I'm taken. Or if she's not taken, like she's gonna take you right there and there in that moment. You understand?
Sure.
Yeah. So that's what I think when it comes to a real woman. A definition of a real woman, you smell me?
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah. I don't know when I'm telling you will tell me for but then I'm also have this kind of perspective. And this is, I like your open thoughts, like you said, it's the safe one part. Your thoughts are safe, you smell me?
Sure.
Yeah. So what's your thoughts, my boy?
Mkhulu, now uyazi nje ukuthi abantu besimame bakanjani mfethu. abantu abasimame bayafuna mfethu ukuncengwa ngaso zonke ikhathi yabona lento kanjalo so
yini lesincengayo kahle kahle as if you are not the price, as if you are not bringing something to the table?
ayikhona into abayilethayo etafuleni
Like
ayikhona
okay, sure. Okay, cool.
angisho into asingane ilokhu njana ibumba abantu yabo angisho ikhofonoza angisho ikhofonoza angisho ibumba abantu kodwa nje ikhona abantu abayilethayo etafuleni yabo.
What is that?
Mfethu yazi abantu bazokunikeza uthando olufunayo mfethu. Laba abantu
those are real women, like those are the women who know what they want.
They know what they want.
Like tell me like is it like kuzodingakala ukuthi lo muntu lo umncenge up until
to some extent kuzodingeka ukuthi umncenge kodwa kukhona ezinye izinto la kuphela nawe yabo into asingane kumele vele umtshele ukuthi hayi khona hayi mama manje usuyaphambuka manje endleleni uyayibona leyo nto kodwa nje abantu besimame abantu aba fragile.
Sure. Yeah, that one we know it's a fact of which you know that they are fragile, of course, fine sharp ngomele ngathi uhamba phezulu kwamaqanda.
Sure.
Cool.
Sure. Yeah. Kodwa ngeke uhambe phezulu kwamaqanda nawe uyazi ukuthi wathi nje yaphihlika.
And that's the fucked up part. Yeah.
Sure, but akona wonke azophihlika. Yabo kulendlela ohamba kiyo akona wonke azophihlika. So uyakhetha nawe ukuthi uzonyathela laphi unyathelaphi uphihlize maphi yabo.
Sure.
Then amanye azosala amanye ngeke asale yabo. Ezumjita wena kumele wazi ukuthi maku kanje senza kanjani bafethu kodwa intombazane ke nayo sense bafethu because of you know why this theory of me that I'm saying you know this theory or that I'm actually say it stems from the fact that if we look at the like semantics of the situation you can find ukuthi there are girls of which okay fine sharp not there are girls actually I'm mistaken there are niggas who are so persistent. You understand? Sure.
So that means every girl that odinga ukuncengwa like ukuthi umpope like kwamela ukuthi umncenge ukuthi umpope like that means ukuthi every guy who is persistent can have her. That's where the theory comes from.
The nigga can beg.
Yeah, the nigga can beg. Like there are niggas who know for it. Like it's the psychology. For some niggas, it's not like they beg per se. It's that they know the psychosis of how the ladies they work. You understand?
Yeah.
They be like, we know this thing. I'm gonna fit motor do chana wahana so I know if it all can like press like look at the let's get popular. So that's where my my dilemma comes from for it. So if I tell you because of I don't see like correct me if I'm wrong. I don't see the worth in me or so that in the far future Otopopa just simple. Otopopa got the very same strategy and second
no mara kuya ngokuthi umjita ezumjita wena umnandi la yabo uma umjita ungekho umnandi la
that's the second factor.
First factor
no machita yabo uma umnandi la umnandi la
sure
uma umnandi la yonke into
okay sharp umnandi la ngani
ukhona yabo uma umnandi la
usiprova kanjani ukuthi umnandi la
kahle mfethu uzokhuluma naye umtshela ukuthi hayibo hey mama yazi izimo sime kanjena la manje nami ikhehla likhabot refile via yabo into kanjalo naye yabona ukuthi hayi le jongo lela lidlala mfethu yabo lize ngento nje eqondile uyayibona lento engisho
back to his point if uthola umntwana ogreat
kuya ngawe
like me as myself like that's how it is
utshela ukuthi uyishaye ngento ekanje akutshela ukuthi unabantu abathola into ekanje umuntu uzothi ngishaye ngento enje athi pan ngithi ngizolina ekugcineni ngizowina.
Exactly.
As far and a smooth talker, there are two different ways.
Niyabekezela mina madoda.
Yo, just like that's the truth. Like because of like being a persistent person and a smooth talker, like there's a difference in those kind of people. People who are persistent, they don't need to be smooth talkers, bruv.
Chief.
They just persistent to an extent. They know it's yes in their eyes.
Baba, khona uche wrong amlinda 7 years wonke lokhu linde nje wena ukuthi aqome
Hayi, yabona
lapha
le-
khona uyokhala abuye kumina ngimthulise.
Imali.
Nina nama mail based nina.
No.
Nama mail based nina ngiyanibona. Nina nama mail based la akakhala khona wena ufaka into eqejile nje. Ufaka into eqejile nje. Ayikho nje leyo nto wa.
Some extent it's beneficial but hayi.
Ay madoda hayi ningavumi ukuba ama mail based. Ningavumi ukuba ama roll on madoda ningo shield kanti.
Dog, no.
Ningo Nivea.
Na shield lapha ya.
Wena uyinivia. Yena uyishield wena uyinivia ne. Okay, hayi akuhluphi madoda.
Ejo, mina into ngisho ukuthi nje mfethu mina like if my umjida azokhona ukuthi abe persistent enough to an extent whereby a girl uzoza give up like ugirl kusho ukuthi ana stance. That's where this thing all it stems from. Ukuthi lo muntu lo akana solid stance because of if ufuna uncengo that means mfethu mina like basically she's looking for a better option. You understand? A better offer. Kamelo ulethe something better. You understand? Who can beg more often and on top of begging yini la letha kuyitafula kusho ukuthi ukukhona wena Austin uyangibamba wena uyancenga lapha and uyancenga njengomlomo ukhona umjito ovange R-line uyancenga futhi uncenga ngama ngama transaction uncenga ngama cash send uyangibamba.
No madoda khona amajita angancengi ke khona amajita nje angancengi nje avele nje ngeBM lakhe iBM iX series noma avele nje ngeMac yakhe
lamantombazana abangenayo choice. They don't have a choice when it comes to that.
63AS ay uzoba ne choice kanjani mfethu
because of abana fakola ngisho vele that's what they're looking for, a better option. So umjida kuyi better option ngobuye bien self
phela angisho ingakho sicula le ngoma lethu uphetheni esandleni.
Yeah, but so it's all about the way. That is why even nomjito omubi dog osakhona ukuthi apophi media grand and ayama pophi hoshkara mami yangibamba.
Yeah, sure.
Because of bazokujala ukuthi ubuhle wendoda yini inkomo zakhe inkomo zakhe yabona lapho
phela nalezo inkomo imali madoda.
Yeah, imali obviously inkomo le imali. You understand? Yeah,
la khabeni madoda so hasila bafethu azelanga ngizodlala la azelanga ngizolala la
lana vele yona injalo ntwana yami.
Create legacy when you can.
Ay nitheni manje ay asidluleni kodwa ayihluphi madoda. Amantombazane kuyadepend ukuthi imapha ancengwayo imapha angancenga
kahle that's where I was actually coming from ukuthi there are those who are actually worth a bag and there are those who are not actually worth it because of uyazi ukuthi come on. And this thing is
uyazi ukuthi nawe awuphethe lutho mfethu wena ucontributane ku relationship shothi wena uletha shothi wena uletha nje into eqithile nje kuphela
yena uletha into ifaka lethi cake kuphela yena uletha
Oh shit, that's it.
ifaka lethi cake kuphela because of abagela abalethi fakol. Let's be honest, abagela abalethi fakol dog. Women are what? Thina siyahasilisa nama uyakhona ukuthi uye emsebenzini mawubuye umuntu akutshela ukuthi imali ifanele yena kwamela umkayi half emkholo wakho utotmuni lopho
chief this thing into nje eqhamuka nje emandulo nathi asiyazi ukuthi yasuka kanjani nathi asiyazi ukuthi iqhubeka kanjani
ubani uthi abafazi bafanele imali yabafanele.
No chief mara you can look back nasemandulo. Do you know emandulo?
Nah.
Emandulo, it's way back. Yeah, way back. Like back then. Not back then. Not back then ngenkathi Mandela. No. No, not back then ngenkathi zo. But who's this? So Solomon Mahlangu. No. Back then kuma hunter gatherers. Do you know hunter gatherers? Laba bakhuluma isiXhosa.
Amachikonga ababejabulisa ikhulu
yabo yeah lezo namanje zisakhona. If you can search up ku social media zikhona nje basiphi stock suite basiphi yabo makhoyi sen amasen people. So that those people laba bangazilutho yabo this thing goes back then ukuthi umuntu wesilisa is the one who goes out uya hunter uthola inyama ubamba inyamazane lezo zinto lezo
you're hunting for a loyal woman anganguzwa uhuntela isichaparapa andimeni bafethu umdlala ngathi
phela angisho lokho ukubona suphakathi ku relationship ngeke ukubona hamba lapha yabo lokho angeke ukubona hamba lapha kodwa nje it goes back then and thola abantu asingane the gents are the ones who go out hunting and then the women are the ones who stay behind, take care of the children and whatnot, which is what is happening namanje. So women are the ones abasenzela yonke into and then Tina we just come with Tina our job is to provide. Tina as males, our job is to provide.
But then these people have strategized for us, dog. Manje seba provide all from multiple sources. Umuntu namajita 5 uyazi ukuthi month end or nge25 lana uzothola 5k and then nge30 lana uzothola boma 10k or 8k and then you understand.
Phela lo muntu phela yabo lo muntu lo
having multiple boyfriends, you understand?
No, lo muntu lo
if I can ask, is it source of income abayifunayo or balambi?
Lo muntu lo uyihustler. Lo muntu lo uyihustler kuwena. Ihustler. Yahasila.
Hustlers. Actually the thing amateur bahlezi bahasela full time bahasela bona, they are on the hustle.
Ay madoda nibuza mina manje ngazothi mina nginentombi entasingayo.
Hayi asivale lapho ntwana yami.
Asivale madoda.
Avela sivale lapho ntwana yami. But then anyway, moving on. Yo, geez, like have you seen this trend that's been going on about the big bro like Kate Matlala?
Inja, the mafia.
Inja ye game ngele ya mfethu mona. So mafia. Apparently
no, we cannot say 2.0. That person is under Tabo Pesta. Tabo Pesta e goat. Then bese kuza. These are two people who are criminals but intellectual criminals. Nangezwa almost. There are types of criminals la ngaphandle igebengu zangampela lezo. Igebengu. Sure. Khona igebengu ezisebenza ngomqondo. Khona igebengu ezisebenza physical. Lezi iphathi mese nale iphathi ibhamu na kanjani yabo. So yabo ukhethe
I'm a mastermind.
Okay, Matlala is an intellectual criminal.
Sure.
Michael Scofield
is an intellectual criminal who can manage into zakhe ngokwengqondo.
Sure.
Have you seen his house, dog?
Yeah, his house is crazy, dog. His house was crazy. I think there's a house in Santin because there was this video that I was actually watching on TikTok whereby they're actually giving a brief summary of what is actually going on with him, about his life and whatsoever, the things that were discovered. I think there's a house in Santin, a big one. Like I think he has multiple like properties, but then the one that I saw, it was the one in if not Santin, I don't know this guy's man. It's another suburban town whereby like it's only like dope houses there, like big yard, like it's a fucking dope house, dog. I saw that house, dog.
Chief, this guy this guy had everything.
Yeah.
This guy benayo yonke into ayifunayo.
Sure.
Benayo yonke into a man could ask empilweni.
Yeah.
He had money. If you can look at his biography,
sure,
this guy was a businessman. This guy was an entrepreneur.
Sure.
So yonke to benayo. But this lento ebuyela ekuthenini,
yeah,
the lust for money is what turns people evil.
Sure. Bengithi kuzoza lapho ngithi before we appear like siyadliza lo muntu sa promoter or promote crime. Kahle the reason we are mentioning him is because of lo mguvutho wenzakalayo manje ngaye, like it's been like so trending on the social media, you understand. I think if not a week or 2 ago, he appeared in court, you understand, where they denied his bail. It's for the it was in regards to attempted murder of Thobeka. I actually do have an article here, you understand. I'll read out the article. Let me see. Let me get the access real quick. Oh yeah, there we go. So they say a businessman, you understand, that's what you were saying. A businessman Vusimuzi Kate Matlala back in court for bail in Actress Tebogo Thobeka attempted murder case. Tebogo Thobeka is that nice chick wa Mosotho ana Elta Movango, ne?
Yeah.
Wow. Vusumuzi Ket Matlala will be returning to the Alexandros Magistrate Court on Monday as his bail application continues in a case involving the attempted murder of his ex-girlfriend, but then we'll see as the article goes on. An actress and a socialite, Tebogo Thobejane. You understand? Dog is crazy. These niggas, they do like crazy stuff, dog. Like, how the fuck?
I think yeah, that's my view. I think
Yeah.
Thobejane, the woman, the female,
Yeah, Thobejane.
ukuthi she had had enough yale corruption eyenzakala uyamthola mos. So by that uNtasingane thought ukuthi uzom-expose nani.
So wacabanga ukuthi eliminate.
So yabo. So mina give me there are two options. It's either the woman had Ntasingane, she had enough of the corruption, ne?
Yeah.
And enough information which I'm exposed, but she wasn't going to do so.
Sure.
But ngenxa yokuthuka nokusaba nani, he decided to do that.
Yeah.
Another thing that I think is happening is that maybe he saw ukuthi abontasingane they are behind him, because now there's another dude or rulayo nje kule police industry.
Sure.
Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi.
Yeah, Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi.
It's either
our hero, that one.
That's a hero.
Our hero, our fighter.
That one is going to end the corruption in South Africa.
Yeah, that guy, like, God sent.
Also, corruption in Ningizim. So I think it's either General Mkhwanazi ubese mhleli ithende, yabo.
Sure.
Noma umama lo vele bene information eningi. So
from my perspective,
yeah.
She just saw an easy bag. Once that bag was that full, what I saying right, manje.
Yeah.
Because at court, I saw a video being trend.
Sure.
She was laughing.
Hey, don't Miami. Yo, that video, dog, it's crazy. So after the internet, I think it's during this day. Let me actually finish up reading the article and then so that we can go deep into it. You understand? So they say the controversial businessman Vusumuzi Ket Matlala will be returning to the Alexandros Magistrate Court on Monday morning for continuation of his bail application. A 49-year-old businessman is charged with attempted murder on his ex-girlfriend, actress and socialite Tebogo Thobejane. The case stems from a shooting in the N1 highway near Sandton in the 2023, during which the Thobejane, known for her role in Muvhango, was shot in her foot. You understand? In addition to attempted murder charges, he faces conspiracy to commit murder and money laundering. You understand? Of which it involves corruption that we are just talking about right now. The state is opposing a bail. Last week, Matlala claimed that Thobejane has sought his help and protection after the incident, despite being alleged target. Matlala, who owns a private security company, the Cat Protection Services, alleged that Thobejane contacted him multiple times between October the 23rd and June 2024 for assistance. You understand? So, like, the conspiracy about the blue that is going on in Fetchumna, like, there's a lot of things of which I actually uncovering. There are other videos of which are on the video that I actually saw. Oh, the other video is of General, the lieutenant that you're talking about, Mr. Mkhwanazi is talking about it. So
I'm going to end with regard to the two. I must indicate, as I said, there are many other law enforcement officials that I did not necessarily include in the statement. Commissioners, you will recall, I had mentioned during the press briefing, and it is a public knowledge already, that in one instance, Mr. Ket Matlala was found with a cell phone inside prison, inside the correctional facilities. For obvious, he was not supposed to be in possession of such, and such a cell phone was facilitated by individuals within correctional service to get to him because they have access to it. But I must thank the Commissioner of Correctional Services, because on the day when we addressed the nation on the 6th of July, The commissioner called me because after watching the address, he
This is
felt
all
that he must send
according to
officials, the
MDN,
credible
MDN,
correctional service officials, to go and inspect this detained person, Ket Matlala, and to go and inspect his cell.
Yeah, it's MDN News. So man, yeah, man, like that's the thing behind it. So like, dog, like the Brood is being connected to a lot of like crime syndicates along, like they are superior, you understand. There was this video of which I saw on TikTok where like they was giving like the background on this type of stuff. So this person, like this is what he does, like how he moves. They say he's a type of a person like boy elimination because of even that. I think on that video, I'll see if I can find it and I'll try to put it up. You understand? On that video, so the Brood I'll pin the link of the video on the comment so that people can have the access towards the video. You understand?
Yeah.
So dog, on this video, when you look at it, dog, they saying the Brood like is involved in a crime of which like deep like is involved in a deep crime. And as right now you can see General Lieutenant Mukwanazi was mentioning for Eman, we found a cell phone there, and it's alleged for that phone it had like important like names and numbers on it. You understand? So as the conspiracy even goes on, now even the death, like the trend of how they say this is all alleged, you understand? The trend of how like the people who have posed a threat to him, like you can see like the Botobejana was shot. Like I can relate to the cases of like people like DJ Somebody and AKA also is actually seems like to be charged on this type of thing because of like the people behind like this matters. They are big people, you understand? These are the elites, like the big people. We're talking about the police generals, like the ministers. As we are talking about the minister, there's another minister whom I actually saw, you understand, who committed yeah, it's Natim Tetra who committed murder. So the Brood they have like there's some sort of a pending case of destiny, fraud, corruption, and whatsoever. So the Brood right now, all of a sudden in Paris, they say he was killed, jumped from 22nd floor. He was found like it's more of like suicide. I don't know, like dog, but then that's a fake. So the conspiracy on the social media right now, even if you go on X, you check all of those things. Like the conspiracy is all about for this thing. Like it's actually a cover up. Like this person will fake like that thing, no, it's impossible. But then this is all alleged up to an extent whereby they're gonna like. Because of they sent like South African officials to do investigations in Paris so that they can come up with like solid answer. But like the conspiracy on the media is that this thing, like the coincidence of it, like for Nujina they are facing dilemmas right now. You know, all of a sudden it chooses up or you understand. So like it doesn't match up. You understand? And Oshala Paris, Floor. 22nd floor, bruv. Jumping from a 22nd floor. Go like
Matota, itori zalapho ziningi.
Sure.
Itori zalapho ziningi. So it could be that theory le iqiniso, yabo.
Sure.
Ngoba theory le yokuthi ufake ideath yakhe. It could be iqiniso, it could be amanga. Ngoba imanje itori ziningi. The first story eyaphuma, it said and that one was from ENC News.
Sure.
Yabo. It said Natim Tetwa was found dead in his room. Now another story comes up and it says he fell from the second floor. How can someone fall from the second floor?
The second from the 22nd, from a 22nd floor, bro.
Listen, about Tina as black people. Tina were one of the people who are afraid of heights.
Sure.
Siyayisaba nje thina izinto eziphezulu.
Sure.
Ngisho mina lapha ecampusini usaba nje in the second floor.
Yeah, second floor. Second floor. It's first floor.
Amares lapha esigila phelela ku second floor, ne?
Sure.
Amares lapha esigila phelela ku second floor. So uzosaba noma ungaya lapha ensika building khuphuke nje unyuke lapho uye ku second floor ume lapha phezulu ubheke phansi mfethu uzosaba ngisho ukugquma lapha so umuntu lo uwa kanjani how does nathi fall from the second fall
22nd floor
no fall
22nd floor
fall maybe they should have said he was pushed and what not yabo maybe they should have said he was pushed and what not yabo but everything else other than that amaxoki
sure
amaxoki so the conspiracy could be true the conspiracy could be a lie yabo
sure
but thina we just hope to believe ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngomumo because uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi ubahlele ithente bonke labo abantu becorruption nje mina yabo
sure
uzobayela bonke uzofika ngisho ngqo ku president wethu lo
azamfise kahle njalo ukuthi aplaselena wayesho kahle ukuthi mina umuntu angisengibheka lena le ngimfisa ngqo
uzombuza nje nokuthi why imali ihlala phansi komatras
Matlala related to Ramaphosa?
Yeah, actually, reminding me of that. There's actually something that I actually heard is that like Matlala, he released Ramaphosa. I don't know, one of his Ramaphosa said we were going to Galela. Are you sure? If he's got more than one wife, then yeah, according to really say. Matlala is one of wife's sons. So asazi ukuthi ingane kamfowethu straight. All this is alleged. You understand? All this guys is alleged. This is alleged. This is purely alleged, guys. You understand? But then yeah, man, they say he released to Cupcake. You understand? Our president. They say it's related to him. So like dog, after all the uncovering of all the corruption that has been going on, and you see for Eminem, obviously dog, for these people to be like the kingpins because of he's one of the kingpins, they call him the king of, like he says like they are the, I don't know, or did they say precisely was it the 5 kings of Joburg, or he falls under the hierarchy of the kings of Joburg? I don't know, something like that. You understand?
Sure.
So you can understand the extent and the dangerousness of the man. I mean, I'm virtually listing failed. We eliminate no. And that is why it's important to use allegedly before moto bona sonto pompua ga din thomo na sa tsebe foko. O tsara. Ya ga batlo bona re khawathi ya ga sa tsebe foko lo gona we are just telling the public, our community, they need to know, they need to stay on the loop with what is actually going on. You understand? Yeah. So yeah, man, it is what it is, man. And then hey, man, there's another thing big of which this is actually not a new topic. It's still released to him, like to the person that we were talking about.
Okay.
Like Matlala. Did you hear about the 2 billion rent corruption? Leya yasithembisa hospital. Yeah.
Tshela angisho ngiyantshela bafethu ukuthi leya inja.
Sure. Yeah.
Goat. Intellectual criminal.
Sure.
A person who uses his mind to make money.
Sure.
Cabanga mfethu 2 billion. Phela u2 billion bafethu the 10 billion. Iliyasenda bafethu. Yabo njengoba nami ngilisho nje ngizwa ngathi le story siyaphansi. Kodwa
antana billion iliyasenda
billion is a lot of money. Billion is a lot of money. So this guy allegedly
sure
unama syndicate wakhe ngaphakathi esibhedlela cabanga esibhedlela. So this guy this relates back to what we said mayiqala podcast ukuthi mawumjeda kumele ube mnandi la yabo once waba mnandi la yonke into izovuleka once waba mnandi la yonke into izovuleka. So that man ube mnandi esibhedlela cabanga umuntu uba mnandi la kugula khona abantu kunabantu abenze kanje lapha yada kunabantu abenze kanje. Yeah, khona umuntu la onelist eliyi1 mfethu wena uzoba fraudulent la khona umuntu nenyawo eliyi1 la wena uzoba nengqondo zokwenza imali la
imali yakho
edwa khona abantu abaphethwe imikhuhlane khona abantu abe8 for sure ayidengibeka ayishaya ngemali yama condom noma ngemali yama ARVs because nina niwalandi lama ARVs nibe nazi kahle ukuthi niyagula mara evar man noma ngahle evar yangithola mas so this guy makes money out of that he makes money out of that so that's how we came about to do the idea about 2 billion and whatnot so yeah, that's my thought on this thing here, 2 billion and whatnot.
Sure, it's been going on.
And that a billion imali baba.
Billion imali. There's this thing where they explain what to I don't know who is this guy. I'll see this video. I forgot.
Not.
Revealed today through our
SIU is the SIU that uncovers this thing.
That evidence has revealed a number of maladministration, corruption, and other public procurement irregularities. This indeed would be described as devastating plunder of the public funds, which we found in our probe. We have uncovered, or the investigation has uncovered, up to date, 3 coordinated syndicates responsible for the loss of over 2 billion. And I'd like to acknowledge at this stage,
billion dog.
I'll still come back to that.
You retire on live.
Initially,
You
when
retire
the
live.
investigation commenced,
Live, retire live.
at the instance,
Kabanga dog, these people bachonchi imali engango 2 billion lapho there are people who are struggling ngapha. There are people who are robbing
bags.
There are people who are robbing under the bridges.
if ever
Fraud.
2 billion fraud.
This
to distribute 1 billion in by 3, it's more of like 350 M.
Abanga dog.
So it's 2 billion 700 M person.
Baba la this thing ebuyela emuva kokuthini ukuthi mawumjita
It takes like South
I text abaleke kantona yami
Text vision is live.
kahle text bafuna ukuthi bayibaleke ntwana yami text abaleke yabona lezi la bantwana yami text bayindlula ka yabona it's already a corrupt money it takes ishaye imali is straight imali innocent imali clean so money like this one dog it clean ona kanjani njani nakhona is tax free yeah
lo muntu bevele namabhizinisi
vele nama-business lo muntu
from the start.
yeah ushaye laundering
mara machita umjita vele nawo kumele usebenzise idayileng that's why sithi thina singama-hustler
sure
kumele usebenzise idayileng ma ungayisebenzisi vele uzogcina ulala ebridgini
yeah vele njalo
ma ungayisebenzisi uzogcina ulala ebridgini so idayileng kumele isebenze and ukhetha uyisebenzise to his advantage yabo because manje cabanga ndoda imali engaka nayo indlu yakhe ngathi mall mawungena ngaphakathi uyalahleka dog
So Zuma times 2 or
hayi niyamsukela kuzuma hayi niyamsukela yazi ukuthi uzuma
things. Nganda things.
yazi ngikutshele mina mkhulu uzuma you may bathi lento le you may bad mouth him kanjani not you guys mara some people out there bad mouth uzuma mara in Zuma's era in Zuma's term
yeah
a lot of things changed in Ningizim yabo it's not that in a good way chief Uzuma opened ama mine eMpumalanga he opened ama institution entasingane a Gauteng,
Sure.
whereby people got employed, people got money. Then he tried uzamile ukubuyisa lento yentasingane but what do they call this thing? Nuclear.
Sure.
Nuclear. He tried
Fees and falls were implemented during Zuma's
during Zuma's time.
Later,
Yeah.
in terms of
Yabo.
diesels
So
and about petrol, gijima ngomatenda.
yabo. So Zuma is what I can call a prominent leader, someone who knows
How to feed.
how to
Yeah,
feed
he's a
other
smart
people.
guy.
He's not one
Super
person
friend.
who's greedy.
Yeah.
Akuyena nje umuntu.
Song.
Yeah, sidla sonke. Yabo njengamachita. Njengamachita. Amachita mawuthi wena awunamali. Thina sinayo imali. Ayikho nje lento yakho ukuthi wena awunamali. Masithi nje siyaphuma asesithi siwosinyama lapha ebibi.
Sure.
Mawuthi wena nje mina namhlanje anginamali machita ngiyasala. Sokutshela nje ukuthi usijwayela nje ujeqo. Ujwayela nje ujeqo. Usala kanjani? Usala kanjani because tina we have money. We know that once now waba nemali you'll be able to say lo onganamali siyam accommodator na. No Zuma was like that, chief. Not that I'm protecting him or not.
Yeah, you are actually factual, my bro. You smell me? Yeah, you are actually being factual.
But ibuyele emantombazaneni le dayile. Intombazane singalamba la sihleli silambe siyi5. Imali khona la ayibeleni la ngaphansi kwebele la.
Uringi var go. Tano ringi var. Tani var. Yeah, wanna live. Tani live var.
Kuno 200 phansi kwebele silambile and lo 200 uzojulukaza abe manzi nte soze silambe size siye emakhaya.
Tani yakutshela uzusuthe
silambe size siye emakhaya.
Yeah, nje
u200 akhona la ebeleni.
Amantombazane bona kanjalo. Wena manga contribute nje abayingeni indaba.
Ma unga contribute uyasala.
Manga contribute nje abayingeni indaba yakho.
Usikadela ama perfume
nama. The funny thing is bona mabaqeda bafuna ukuthi ba accommodate do like automatically dog. Now you can't like, let's say for an example you go with the hand go to town, you smell me. Mafika dog, the moment when you buy a simple thing, you understand, an ice cream, automatically you already think of ukuthi umthengele nayo. You understand? Like ama step asafuna ukuthi siwakhuphukise kanjalo because of izoya ifike la khona soba expose ukuthi ejo labantu abakahle kahle they enjoy looking at you like this when you're doing nice things for them, but they don't, you smell me? But not all of them, you smell me? There are hands we are actually like considering, but you smell me? There are hands we are considering, but kuna labo ukuthi bayi uta ngomela dale something, yeah. Utango zomela ukuthi something, you understand?
Mara machita yazi masibuyele emantombazane na sikhulumeni nangale ndaba yokuthi wena imina lo intombi yami le imina lo uwe lo intombi yami le usemasiphakathi futhi athi ngenze kanje imina lo intombi imina lo wena lo intombi yami le cabanga usemasiphakathini wena ungibona ngihamba nenye intombi lapho uyasuka uyotshela umuntu wami uwe lenja uwe lenja uyinja sathane lenhliziyo embi ngiyangizwa nobo sathane wena mawuzokhuluma usathane ngiyadlala kodwa
ima kancane ngathi lento le personal kuyena kwenzakalani ubani ukwenze kanjalo?
No, it's not personal. It's not personal. Nguwelenja serious. Wena nguwelenja ungitshelelana because ngizoyibonela once wangitshela mina ngizo investigate on my own and you know how smart girls are.
Umuntu lo wenze lento leyo
ngengithole lutho kodwa intombazane once yathi yona investigator wena fast quick 2 days uyazi ukuthi wena
phuma ngawo siyaloya lento lezi
yabo. So hayi kukanjalo nje machita kukanjalo abantu besimame.
Hey, it is what it is, man.
We roll.
Kanjalo amantombazane girls will be the end of the bruise, eh? Especially in this generation that we're on. But anyway, as we said, moving on. So dog, dog. You know, there's another issue that has been trending, and I saw Uguti Eskila, like there are some students who have taken it into initiative. Like I could say content creators who have decided to like be audible about it. And Miss too, when I saw this thing, dog, you know, I was like, hey man. So you too, when you brought it up and said like, yo dog, folks, yo this type of thing, I think we'll talk about it. You smell me? I was like, hey man, I'm aware of it, bro, and it's really foul. UNFS, not UNFS, UFS. You smell me? Like
UNFS.
Yeah, like UFS.
We are standing sing,
Yo,
we are standing sing, alo. Into icabangayo nje i-S nje. Into icabangayo.
Dog, when paid for that, asazi ukuthi wena uzobona la. What if you soulmate yami izobona? What if you soulmate yami izobona?
Uwe nje ukhuluma ngabo S la, ngirong in mina. Ngirong. Uwe nje ukhuluma ngabo S
I
la.
was saying UFS, dog.
Yeah,
I was saying
okay.
UFS. Like,
UFS.
dog. Like, on a serious note, dog. Like what the guan? Like, let's kill a lazy. They wanna be like a luxurious school. Like, they're not interested in students who balwe la banyaka o chincha mapilo abo. Wow.
UFS is not. Currently, it's not looking to be luxurious and whatnot.
Yeah.
Although you're itati mali and is trying to expand the campus. Let me be specific. Ikoqo campus kokwamanje.
Yeah.
They are trying to expand the campus.
Yeah. That's their focus.
They're trying to make
it expanded. That's their focus. I'm affording at.
Yabo. So, but EUFS as a whole, yona aika isenza kabi ayisenzeli nje iqiniso madoda
yona vele
ayisenzeli nje iqiniso
ayona vele ntona
khona manje they released the statement. I don't know if you've seen that one.
Yeah, I saw the statement. I'll put it up for everybody.
They released a statement saying a provisional funding will be discontinued.
Yeah,
discontinued.
Yes,
meaning a provisional funding is ovalwa.
Yeah,
not just to specific students but to every student or enrolled at UFS. This means that when as a student next year for 2026,
sure,
which means that for 2026 you as a student you won't be able to register esikolweni ungakhokhelanga wonke ama fees. If you go on Gradebook you see there's that outstanding fee there at the top.
Namanje azinami sekhuphukile manje ngiyabona ikhona. You have outstanding fee?
Obvious.
That outstanding fee, it means that when you won't be able to register next year if you haven't paying that. And you know how long NSFAS it takes to allocate money to our students.
If it takes time.
About February, March, all these things.
Sure.
So this means that EUFS it's slowly becoming a institution for the privileged.
Yeah,
for
like
the privileged.
It's ukuthi abantu basekhaya manje abangazi ukuthi what you actually talking about, because of I feel like only students can actually understand us, like from saying so a provisional registration. It's a registration whereby, let's say for an example, our registration is 10K, ne?
Yeah. And that inyuka every year.
Next year is gonna be 11K. Yeah. This 10K.
Last
so
year it was 9. It was 9K.
It was 9.4.
8.7 last year.
Yo, when you look at you
8.7.
You understand?
8.7.
So that's the thing. So I want to car banga was go to the school mangayo. Provisional registration is simply like we pay a quarter because of his 2.5 out of Latin key then we pay 2.5 for registration up until the NSFAS it clears all those things, and then iskela refund imali yakho on what is actually happening. So UFS basically is cutting down privilege for students, and as I was good, January it's a tough month for each and every family.
Sidla makabish.
You smell me?
Sidla makabish.
You understand?
Sure.
Yeah.
There are people who are not even that totally able to grasp that 2K.
Chief.
Yeah.
They need to pay like exact 10K.
Yeah.
Chief. Tina spuma.
Yeah, you're
Tina spuma makaya, Chief.
Exactly.
thina
dog.
siphuma emakhaya.
Yeah.
It's not
Sithatha-
everyone la ohlala sentini. It's
Danko.
not everyone la okhulele khona la iqwaqwa. Nakhona nala iqwaqwa uyabona ukuthi kukanjani. Nakhona eBloom, do you know how much accommodation eBloom is for
I-
off campus students?
I Bloomzaka
Boma 4 point something.
4 point something.
iPA leni itholayo nina bona
Bona abayitholi kahle
bona bayitholi
kahle,
nothing. They
You
don't get
understand?
anything.
Yeah.
So my point is, it's not all of us who come from privileged
Backgrounds.
households or
Yeah.
backgrounds, yabo.
Sure.
But
Stable household.
sure,
Exactly.
and we are here to make a change in our
lives.
in our homes, in our lives, yabo.
Exactly.
So if UFS is going to be the barrier that holds us or that prevents us from being better people, from bettering our houses,
You understand?
or bettering our homes, then there's nothing that we can do except for Guti Tina. We stand against that, and for that to happen, it needs Guti Ama student to collaborate or to cooperate with us
Babe
in this.
imbumba.
Sure.
Am I right?
Babe sibe imbumba. No, ningakhohlakala niyakhohlakala manje. But we need
Yeah, a unit, dog.
we need the unity to stand against this thing, because
Exactly.
baningi abantu ngisho noma ngabe kuthiwa ukolota u650, you won't be
Angeke
able to
uzoya-
register.
I know,
And
bro.
uzoyithola phi
21 rand.
and uzoyithola phi 650 ngoJanuary.
January, dog.
Uzoyithola phi 650
You
ngoJanuary.
understand?
Khona currently ama student ase-res, there are some people who are owing 2.3
Sure.
to isikole for
Cabanga.
what? For a transport. Cabanga, those people.
I-transport
Cabanga.
uhlala on camp, what the
Uhlala on
fuck?
camp.
You
Those
have
people-
got this trial gap. And
Cabanga.
okay, speaking of transport, i-refunded to basikayo yona nini 3k because of but i-transport e-8k yiphi i-transport e-8k basijwayela kabi kahle kahle esigela mfethu wayo baskema kanje
Fraud.
mfethu baskema ra like i-transport is 4k we know per semester is 2 point something yaphelela lapho sifuna ama-refund wethu they have to give us 4 point something we want it sayifuna le 4k yethu basijwayela kabi ejoskelazi bahlezi basinokha lama 4k every year.
They always find a way to distract us.
Ah.
Right now, we are facing this thing of provisional funding.
Yeah.
Whereas
Professional registration, my boy.
provisional registration, I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whereas on the other hand, lento le yokureclaim ama funds nokuya kuyi-transport to get the funds back, we ain't gonna focus on it. So it's a two-way street for them. For us, we have to choose.
Yeah.
Focus on
Choose a one
provisional
or
thing,
exactly,
or
Donna, yeah.
focus on striking and getting
Exactly.
the funds for transport.
But bafethu the students don't cooperate.
Yeah,
Most
that's the
students
factor.
don't
Here's the thing. You
cooperate
know what
too.
I've realized ukuthi
No, the
ama student
students
ose UFS,
don't
ama student ose
cooperate.
UFS aba supportana bubona aba cooperate because of why am I saying that you will find us ukuthi we are making stride, we are facing an off-campus dilemmas.
Yeah.
Uzobona bona ba relax ama on-campus student abayingeni fuck off. But uzobona mhla bona baso face ama dilemma funa ukuthi bona bakhishwa lapha they turn their problems bayenza wethu because of they come to sleep at our what our households where siphatala khona thina you smell me?
Like bafethu last week, for an example, last week,
Sure.
excuse me, last week Monday, in fact, it was rainy that day.
Sure.
SRC as well as a branch here, MKSM, they called a mass meeting.
Imaqala ke mawuthi SRC ne branch MK kusho ukuthi SRC is different from MK it's another party.
No,
SRC sasi EFF
It's a management.
No. SRC ixubene yabo.
Yeah.
There's EFF, there's MK
Kanjani?
yabo. Kahle the president won elections as uNtasingane, and then MKSM got all these other seats yabo.
Okay.
Through ama vote, ama
The
students.
president is EFF. Then there's the state board or the share board. It's more likely the other parties.
Yeah. But these people are united. Yabo. These people are united. They work as if they come from the same organization. One collective team. It's high moral, high discipline, high moral. Yabo. It's more like that. So EMK and SRC, these are two different things. EMKSM is another thing. EFFYC is another thing. SATU is another thing. SRC, it's another thing. SRC, it's what stands for students. If you want any sort of help, just go straight to the SRC office or or number wabo, they've been posted go WhatsApp and whatnot. So you can get the numbers there. But SRC and AMA branch, these are two different things. SRC works for the school, it works for the students. Then the MKSM or this EFF or the SATU, the SASCO, everything, they work to assist the members of the SRC. So last week, SRC called a meeting, a mass meeting, a little prayer, a little prayer. So last week, SRC called a little prayer to say, no, Tina was standing against this thing here. No, we want the management to open a tab, a PA, once again for the students who got affected, for the students who got
of course, dog. Students, dog, yeah.
So they held a mass meeting. Nyakchala chief, we were alone, Lapek 18. We tried to stop students to say, no, Nina, help us, and we tried to fight this thing. There was one student who said to us, no, mina angla inking amajing zone bona next year maseng king. What's that? So when you think of yourself, don't be one person who's selfish here. We're not selfish people here.
Hey man, you see, like in a nutshell, because of working against time, man, I feel like as students at UFS, if we want our things we need to like start like being a unit. We need to start learning to be unified, you understand, and support each other. And nonetheless, we're not gonna be like God, you understand, because of like when it comes to this type of things, I remember this type of complaint where my SRC was like, and especially when it comes to these things at the PA, that's why I was introducing you for it. On-camp students, they don't give a fuck when it comes to those things that would, if you're facing dilemmas up until born, never face a dilemma along. Like the only time you will see the whole school being a unit is Kimatata along get allowance selling affect off camp, like they just say so Lona, how about Lebona about face a dilemma what was striker guys, and that's where this unity structure is gonna be broken, you understand? So yeah man, I feel like UFS students, they need to start loving each other, you smell me?
Yeah, my daughter, please cooperate. When we say there's a mass meeting, please cooperate, please collaborate.
Yeah man, cooperate, because you are the ones who need help, you understand? You are the ones who need help the most. So guys, let's make sure how you have each other's back. And lastly, bruh, yo guys, tell me, bruv, you see, JB, tell me, dog, because of you're the one who's actually stepped into, like, are you tapped in on to the body streamers, Bukai Senat and whatsoever?
Hey, naibona manje lento.
His mom. So, my dog, there's this conspiracy that has been going around about the streamers cutting their hair, like what the guan?
Streamers, but what did he Kaisen?
Yeah, streamers, because of this thing
on lives.
I call Kai, you smell me? It doesn't start with Kai.
Just in highlights, but it never
sure, you understand. So man, there's been this thing going on. I like after this Mafia-thon final day, people have been like asking for, hey man, what is going on? Why all these streamers like, you understand? Because of now people are relating it to what actually Cat Williams said on one of the episodes. You understand, where he went to Shannon Sharp's podcast. You understand, where he said like some deals for a cut off your hair. You understand? So that's the same thing that has been going on. So like I've been asking myself about that conspiracy. Sorry, is this some sort of an Illuminati or what the guan? Are the Blues like preparing themselves for like a deal? Because of I don't think Kai will do that because of Kai like. Did you see that thing? Kai lost the Nike deal because of like he kept on speaking about Jesus and those people didn't like it.
Yeah.
So he lost the deal too. So like dog, hey, to take a state dog. Like
things that you ain't supposed to say.
Hey man, it's a lot going on, but man, anyway, yo, thank you for tuning in on the Safe From Pub, man. And yo, Austin, bruv, thank you, man, for mainly sharing about the UFS part. Like, you are the one who's more informed when it comes to those type of things. As I hope you guys actually tuned in, because these type of things are actually important for you guys. You understand? So I hope you all tuned in. You understand? I hope you're tuned in. So yeah, man, thank you for tuning in on today's episode. This is our 21st episode, man. Come on. Round of applause, my friends. Like 21 episodes. It's a lot, man. You push it, you understand? So yeah, man, you know what it is. It's the Safe From Pub, man. Just make sure you like, comment, share, hit the subscribe button. You know what it is, man.
Uyavalele somhlandweni lokulibiza ngabi nabo mafova emvula nabo lomasikisiki bonyon sinzwa sikakhluke emahlandla amahlela ngenyongo nyamatane bosonzela waqonya sidukulwane sathi umuzi thumlengani maphuzu ukhathele ntomzi ngicela ukhise phansi epopolweni esikoleni sikasigwinya konke umlondelo. We'll see you on the next episode. We don't know who it will feature, but stay tuned to find out. Will it?
You know what it is, man. We out. It's the Safe From Part. Sivala Ganjano on today's episode. Deuces. We out. Beg.